So in this video, we're going to review just how easy it is to set up a client portal on your WordPress website. So here we are, fresh install of a WordPress website in a local environment. I've selected ClientPress. I'm just going to upload it to my plugin. So I've gone to plugins, add new plugins, browse my computer, and added the ClientPress zip file. I'm going to click install now and then activate plugin. There, it'll direct you to a screen where you can enter your license key. You can enter it here. And now you are almost ready. So we can go to our overview tab. This is going to show you all your client portals or your scope spaces. It'll give you an overview snapshot of any outstanding payments. And if you have scope spaces, it'll give you a pipeline estimate that you have. So to create a portal, you are just going to go to your portals or click on this add new portal. But we can add a new one, and we're just going to call this our test portal. And then I am going to click publish. And now I can view the portal. By default, most of our features are enabled. There are just a few that come disabled by default. Most are enabled. So you can control all of these by enabling or disabling them in the settings. But your client portal is actually just set up. We have our dashboard, we have project milestones, we have our discussion, we have our direct messages, our tasks, our calendar, our message board, our tools and our files and our deliverables. We also have all the people that are going to be in this portal. We have hubs, which are child portals. We have our docs, and then we have our guides. Docs are web pages that are designated just for the portal. Guides are web pages that are designated for all portals in a category. So it is pretty straightforward and easy to navigate. Down here on the lower left, you'll see your profile area and then an option to log out. So if I were to go into ClientPress into the plugin settings, we would go over here. And then we can go to our settings, and you can see all of our portal features. These are our modules, can be enabled or disabled. So for example, if I go to the test portal and we look at discussion, this is our discussion thread where you would be able to send a message to all of the users that are currently on the project. But let's say you didn't want that. You would just go over here and you would disable the discussions tab. And then when I go and save it, we'll go back. It's already gone. Our message board is a topic-based board, similar to all discussion forums you're familiar with on the internet. So we'll show you that here. And I'll just put in some info. And now when we look at our message board, you'll see that we have our subject. And then if you wanted to see the replies, you would click in here and see the discussion that's associated with that particular thread. Our tasks are here. You just have to create a new list, set your task list. We'll pick a color that we want it to be, and then you create the list, and then you can add your tasks here, and then they'll populate. We haven't set up onboarding for this particular portal, but if we wanted to, we could. We just go over here, and then we just need to select our onboarding templates, create a template, and then assign it to this particular project. If you wanted to invite your client to this, I just went to the edit portal screen. And now what you'll want to do is if the client is already a user on your website, you would select the client. But if they're not, you would just scroll down here and then enter their email address and their name and then send them an invitation. They'll get an invitation by email to join their portal. They'll click the button to accept it, and then it will take them straight here. So really, really simple. You can set up client portals in just a few minutes for your clients with ClientPress. And if you have any questions, please feel to reach out.